Right, and here is my absolute favourite thing, apart from a boiler, but that's cheating. Processors and procedures, and microwave is your best bet. It's really easy and you get to do some fun things. Okay, first off, you don't need the door, the plate and the wheel thing inside. Or the shoe. Yes, always take your shoe out before performing any microwave cooking. And you don't want the plate. Very little metal in the plate. And that little spinning wheel is not removable. Okay, never mind. Right, things we don't want is the door. It's just pointless. Right back, like that. And then this way back. This is quite a big microwave, actually. As it happened, there is some metal in there, but mostly it's plastic and glass. So I might undo that later, but I might not. Right, okay, joy of joys. It's unscrewing time. I have cheatingly removed some of the screws before because it's really not a very interesting part of the whole procedure. And of course it says, live microwave energy, do not remove cover, so of course that's the first thing we're going to do. And then use your sturdy work boots to fold it down. And then fold it once the other way. Reasons for this will become clear later. There. We'll put that to one side. Okay. Then it's a matter of just finding screws. Oh, right, we don't want lamps. Finding screws and undoing them until you've run out of things to undo. I cheat because I've got lamp pins at work, so I can get rid of them easily. So what's it? See that there is a bar across here that I could remove, but you know what? Okay, go on then. Appears that there's quite a lot of plastic in this one. Splendid. Bring out the larger screwdriver then. No sense in no, breaking the screw. No, don't do it. No. Why didn't that, huh? I don't know, do I? Well, pretty much killed that script, so might have to do without it. Right. This large series of wires is called a loom of wires. And basically we're just going to take all the cable. That's, again, only a small amount, but it all adds up at the end. Yes, destroy. Okay, that's boring. I'll retrieve these items off the plastic later. Looks like this. A bunch of little plastic inserts that we don't want. Nope, that's pointless. That's just a door switch. The entire housing is coming apart. In there, nice big motor. So again, I'll retrieve that because that is made of iron, cast aluminium and copper, which we definitely want. Fan blades are still attached. Not for long. What's stopping you now? Right. Lots of plastic throw away. Again, as before, it's the sharp edges trying to kill you and give you blood sepsis. Right, forget it. What are you? Why are you there? No, that doesn't matter. It's not structural. That should be why. We haven't undone anything on the bottom. bit better. Right, that's the transformer. And another one. So many screws. Fine. All of a sudden, shut up. That comes off. Another flat piece.